Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change device name on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. First of all, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then open the Home page, and on the Home page you have to tap Rename underneath your current device name. Here you're gonna have to enter your new device name without using any spaces. We can use letters, hyphens, and numbers. Like this. Then tap enter to apply the new name, and then you're gonna have to restart your tablet by tapping restart now, or you can also restart your tablet at any moment. Basically after the restart the changes will be applied. So let's wait until the device is restarted and see whether the changes were made. Okay, the device is restarted, so let's enter the PIN code and let's go back to Start menu, Settings, and check whether the device name has changed. And as you can see, here we have the new device name, so the changes were applied successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.